Hi, in this question, we are given that 2 to the power of x equals to 3, 2 to the power of y equals to 5, and we are supposed to find the value of 2 to the power of 3x plus y. Alright, so how do we go about doing this? Okay, so we need to apply our indices rules, okay, towards solving this question here. Okay, so let's look at what we have here. So 2 to the power of 3x plus y, okay, and what are the indices rules I can apply? Okay, so since I have the addition at the power, okay, I can go back to my rule that says that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Correct? So if I relate this back here, what I have is 2 to the power of 3x plus y. Alright, so if I work backwards, what I have is 2 to the power of, so this term here, m is 3x and n is y, and a is my base, correct? So working backwards, I have 2 to the power of 3x multiplied by 2 to the power of y, correct? So that is the first step I can take. I can say that this is 2 to the power of 3x multiplied by 2 to the power of y. Alright, so that is the first step that I'm going to take. Now what is the next step? Alright, 2 to the power of y, we already have it here, and that is also represented over here, so no issues with that. Now we still have 2 to the power of 3x here, but what I have is 2 to the power of x, correct? So I must apply another indices rule that says that a to the power of m times n is equals to a to the power of m n, correct? Now this m times n of course can be written as a to the power of m bracket n. Okay, so now what can I do? I can work backwards here and say what I have is 2 to the power of 3x, which is the same as 2 to the power of x times 3. 3 times x, or x times 3 is the same, so I can rewrite it as 2 to the power of x to the power of 3 here, correct? So now you see that I am able to represent it as 2 to the power of x to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of y. Okay, now it's very clear that 2 to the power x can be replaced with a value of 3, okay, and 2 to the power of y, okay, can be represented with a value of 5. Okay, so as you can see, what we have done is we have moved uh, our expression, okay, towards making it such that it is represented in terms of 2 to the power x and 2 to the power of y. Okay, now what we have is 3 cubed multiplied by 5, and 3 cubed is 27, okay, multiplied by 5, okay, and that gives us a value of 135. Okay, so that is the final answer for this question here. Alright, so here you see how we can apply the rules of indices, okay, where we are already given a final expression 2 to the power of 3x plus y, and we work backwards towards representing it using its basic uh, terms, okay, which are 2 to the power x and 2 to the power of y. Alright, so I hope this explanation clears up this question for you. Alright, thank you. Bye.